Industrial, accurate, wireless, meet the power of precision. Creality Sermoon X1. The design integrates ergonomics, CNC milled unibody metal structure, more stable, longer lifespan, multifunctional button design, equipped with high-definition camera, unrestricted by environment, scan freely and flexibly, volumetric accuracy 0.02 millimeters. With a wide scanning area, it easily handles large-scale objects and allows data to be imported directly into third-party software, streamlining your workflow. The Sermoon X1 offers 4 scanning modes. For efficient, large area scanning, photogrammetry ensures scanning accuracy, reduces cumulative error in large object scanning for detailed and precise scanning. For capturing deep holes and pockets, efficiently meeting industrial measurement needs, perfectly suited for quality inspection, enhancing production precision. In infrared mode, it scans without markers and can even capture black or metal surfaces directly. Versatile for every scenario. Creality Sermoon X1